Today we are going to do the day and night formation or the day and night model of an earth. In this activity we need a base. So this base we need in this activity, and a diagram is also printed on this base. One globe we need in this activity, already you have a globe in your kit, and one torch we need in this activity. So all these three material we require in this activity in order to perform the day and night model of an earth. Let me firstly tell you more about the components. In this activity, this torch will act as a sun. And whenever we are talking about sun is stationary. A sun is not rotating or not revolving. And we are getting a light from the sun. That's why this torch will act as a sun. We'll also call it a flashlight. This is a globe. Already we have a globe in our kit. So globe is basically the replica of our earth. So we have all the countries, all the continents are printed on this globe, and this blue color is a water, as the 70% of our earth is covered with the water. We have two poles, that is, one is north pole and south pole, and the center is the equator. We have a very high temperature at the equator. And this white color straw is called an imaginary axis. Yes, this straw is called an imaginary axis. We have this straw at an angle of 23.5 degree. Yes, at 23.5 degree. This is called an imaginary axis. With the help of this axis, our earth is rotating. As we know, our earth is rotating as well as revolving. So our earth is rotating with its own axis, and it completes one rotation in 24 hours. That is 12 hours a day and 12 hours a night. There is a difference between rotation and revolution. Our earth is rotating at its own axis within 24 hours, but our earth rotates around the sun revolve around the sun in 365 days. So this is the difference between rotation and revolution. Rotation means our earth is rotating on its own axis and completes one rotation in 24 hours, and our earth is revolving around sun and it completes one revolution in 365 days. So now let's start performing this activity. So firstly, let me remove all the unwanted parts like this. And now let me fix this flashlight or a torch which will act as a sun. So I have to remove the front cover. Now let me put my torch. And let me put the torch here like this. And now I have this model of an earth. So let me put this model of an earth here. I have a hole. So I have to put it. So in this way, my model is completed. Now let me tell you the working of this day and night formation model. How the day and night forms. As we know, the side of the earth facing the sun. So this side of the earth facing the sun gets more light from the sun, hence making it day. And other side, this is the other side, is night. So in this way, day and night formation. And as we know, the earth is rotating in a counterclockwise direction, and as the earth is rotating, and the part on which the sunlight falls is having a day and the rest of the part is having a night. In this way, as our earth rotates on its own axis and completes one rotation in 24 hours, so that's why 12 hours we have a day and 12 hours we have a night. but on the poles the condition is different. So in this way you can learn the concept of day and night formation. Again, let me tell you, the side of the earth facing the sun gets more light from the sun, hence making it day, and the other side is night. In this way the day and night model of an earth is completed.